Why, in today's world, does deep learning hold such significance? Well, let's dive in to find out. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, is an integral part of numerous sectors. It's like the invisible cog, turning the wheels of progress in the background. Take healthcare, for instance. Deep learning helps in predicting diseases, understanding patient behavior, and even in the development of new drugs. In the finance sector, it aids in fraud detection, risk management, and investment predictions. And in the realm of technology, it's hard to imagine a domain untouched by deep learning. Whether it's driving automation, enhancing cybersecurity, or improving user experience, deep learning is at the heart of it all. What makes it even more fascinating is its role in decision-making processes. By analyzing patterns and making predictions, deep learning is shaping smarter, more efficient systems across industries. Deep learning indeed has become a cornerstone in today's technology-driven world. Dive into the world of Pytorch, a popular platform for deep learning. Pytorch is a dynamic open-source machine learning library developed by Facebook's artificial intelligence research group. It's a favorite among researchers and developers alike, thanks to its user-friendly interface and unparalleled flexibility. One of Pytorch's greatest strengths is its use of dynamic computational graphs. This means that the network's behavior can be changed programmatically at runtime, offering a tremendous amount of flexibility and enabling a wide range of neural network architectures. Pytorch also boasts a rich ecosystem that includes a vast range of tools, libraries, and community resources that accelerate the path from research prototyping to production deployment. It's no surprise that Pytorch is widely adopted in the research community, powering many of the world's best-known AI applications. So, if you're looking to dive into the deep end of deep learning, you'll find no better diving board than Pytorch. To harness the power of deep learning, Pytorch provides the perfect platform. Implementing deep learning in Pytorch involves a series of steps. Let's delve deeper into this exciting journey. First up, we have data pre-processing. This is the stage where we prepare our data for the model. We need to ensure that our data is clean, relevant, and properly formatted. This could involve tasks such as cleaning up noisy data, handling missing values, standardizing or normalizing data, and splitting the data into training, validation, and test sets. It's a bit like cooking. You want to make sure your ingredients are fresh and ready to go before you start. Next up, we have the model building stage. This is where we actually construct our deep learning model. With Pytorch, we define our model as a class that extends the module class. This model will have layers, and each layer will have weights and biases. We then define how data flows through these layers in the forward method. It's like designing the architecture of a building. You need to plan how everything connects together to ensure structural integrity. Then we move on to training the model. This involves feeding our pre-processed data into the model and adjusting the model's weights and biases based on the output it produces. We use a loss function to measure how far off our model's predictions are from the actual values, and an optimizer to adjust the weights and biases to minimize this loss. Think of it as a game of hot and cold. The model adjusts its predictions based on feedback until it gets closer to the correct answer. Finally, we arrive at the model evaluation stage. This is where we test our model on unseen data to see how well it generalizes to new inputs. It's the moment of truth, where we see if our model is ready to take on the real world. With these steps, you can implement a deep learning model in Pytorch. As we wrap up, let's revisit the key points discussed in this video. We began by understanding the significance of deep learning, a subset of machine learning that mimics the workings of the human brain in processing data. It's this technology that's driving major advancements in fields like natural language processing, computer vision, and even healthcare. Then, we delved into Pytorch, a powerful open-source library that provides a flexible platform for deep learning. Its dynamic computational graph and efficient memory usage make it a preferred tool among researchers and developers alike. We also explored how to implement deep learning in Pytorch. From setting up the environment to defining the model, training and testing, each step was elaborated upon, giving you a clear roadmap to start your own deep learning projects. So there you have it. A quick yet comprehensive look at deep learning and Pytorch. With Pytorch and deep learning, we are empowered to create solutions that can potentially transform the world.